Hello guys, this is my ravan and we are back.
Be very bad man, so on fact I wish hit you with this bouncy ball like over and over again.
No, do not hit it.
Why?
For the video. Okay guys, today I don't think this made very good. My brother is just stupid. He never listens to me. Okay, so now today I'm going to show you how to make this ravan that I made.
And some is broken, it broke, it little broke. And it's perfect on a video because it can show you how it's back and bases.
Yes.
So
How we made it is it's 100% made up of cardboard except for the small tissue paper, the gift wrapping paper, and the blue gift wrapping paper.
and the white gift wrapping paper.
And to show you the proof, just we'll turn it backside. As you can see, this is fully made up of cardboard. There is the base, there is the folded cardboard, and there is the top.
Okay.
And
what you need is a piece of folded cardboard and first take a piece of folded cardboard as its stomach. And then
Yes.
if you have an empty toilet paper thing, what in the middle
Like
of the
there,
cardboard thing,
you can
or
use
the
it
tissue
as
paper thing,
the
use it
base.
as the base that makes it stand.
Yes.
And then the second thing to do, I already mentioned to you fold this, and then just in the middle, make some long triangle stuff, and just place it here. You can
Yes.
make it how big you want.
So, what we did till
After that, you need to cut it like a little from here, like how to make a hand, like from like this. Like, you cut it like from here, and I made it good. And then you need to do is make the fingers. Just
Yes.
cut it from the middle.
yes,
And then like it and do it on the other side, and then staple it here.
right over there.
Keep the wrapping paper at last. After that, you know what we after that needed to keep the neck. No, we didn't keep the neck. I totally forgot. We kept the legs.
Yes,
We made it like this cut out, and we made it like this one. Like this, and we kept two legs. Actually, we just made a fatter this leg, and we just kept it down, and then cut it like a leg, like a shoe. After that, we made this head. We make the neck thing that holds the neck up, but it still doesn't hold it nicely. We staple it, a lot of staples. We staple a lot of staples here, and here also we staple it, and even kept some tape. No, it's not for wrapping paper. We even kept some tape for wrapping paper. That's what I'll explain for. After that, this the thing that supports his neck and his full head are this. Still isn't properly arranged properly yet. But then here's his face. Look, you just need to cut it. We have to mark our bar thing what we need to cut. And we even marked it on the front. Look, sorry, I just kept going like that. Okay. Okay. Now just be like that. Look, what we did was cut it from oval pieces of cardboard here and then we stapled another piece of it. And if when you made it, it will not look good because it look like what is it? It look like it's stapled. But after that, you need to when you made a lot of these, then start applying these hacks. So first apply these. Last this one. Kitchen roll, and then keep the stop things.
okay.
Keep the stop wrapping paper things.
So, that's all, and let's recall what we have done. So, the first thing we need to do is fold the cardboard at the back, right over there.
Wait, I forgot to say last two steps. After that, after you get this, and then you get this, tape them, and just start drawing faces of ravan heads here
Yes.
on the tissue papers.
So, the first thing is to fold the cardboard
A cardboard piece.
the-
And then attach something called like a toilet paper roll or a kitchen paper rolls.
Yes,
In
anything
the back.
that's round. So you can even do a broomstick roll that's over there. Like first, we folded the cardboard piece, then attach this thing and then staple it from the stapler right there, as you can see.
And then we staple it from here.
Yes.
You can even hot glue gun it also.
You can also use the hot glue gun.
We use both.
Yes.
After that, we made a big triangle like this.
This
And
is,
then
we needed to make a big triangle like this, or
then,
a square.
no, not square.
Okay. Then when you make that,
Fingers.
you need to cut stripes in the hole, like over there.
And then you need to cut like this, like go from up, down, and then make it straight again.
Yes.
But when you keep the wrapping paper, you don't change things. So if you want, you can even leave it. That thing. So after that, when you do it on both of the sides, after that, you need to work on the legs.
Yes. The
So
legs
make
are pretty easy to make. So
make a fat piece of, make a fat rectangle or a square, I don't know. A fat rectangle, like it should be like this much. Yes, definitely a square. A square, make a square.
yes.
Right? That's this much big. This much big. And then just cut here. Cut it like this. Like that, do on the both sides. After you've done that, make the legs. And then make the supporter. What?
Yes.
Make the supporter. And then that supports all the heads. So after that, we just make some marking here. So that's these cardboard cutouts that we have made.
And then what you need to do is place some toilet paper or tissue paper or kitchen roll paper. So when you do that, you're gonna get this at the front. So that's the tissue paper or the toilet paper or the kitchen roll or whatever that's white. You can even place paper right there. But the tissue paper or toilet paper will be pretty good to use because it will not waste any paper and it will waste less of the environment. And when you burn tissue paper, it does not at all make fire. Like very less it will make flames and will not burn the house down, because this is, as you can see, there's lockdown and corona outside and you can't make it. So this is a easy, just use tissue paper that you can do it easily.
If you
So,
don't have tissue paper, just use
After
paper.
putting all the tissue papers or papers on the cardboard
Then
balls.
you need to keep this up wrapping paper.
Yes.
No, first not keep the wrapping paper. Wrap all this around. Use tape to make it all good, and even staple some like here on the shoulders
Yes,
if you
everywhere.
want, and even some here because it can have both. See, we staple it. We are going to
We staple it everywhere, like we staple it right there,
After
right
staple,
there.
after tape on here, tape all of this here. After that, look, we actually kept a hot glue gun. Yes, we actually kept hot glue gun over here. Hot glue gun, or you can keep both. You can even keep a stapler or a hot glue gun here. So after that, at last, make the drawings. These are the drawings of ravan. This looks pretty creepy, by the way.
Yes. So after doing that,
And then make the middle one most big.
yes, make the middle one as big as you can, because that's gonna be the main face of Ravan, right there. Okay, it should be big, and the rest of them could be anything you want. You can make any faces, anything. If this is a good way to like drawing faces, if you are an expert at drawing, but be sure to make the middle face a angry one. Like you can see the eyebrows right there. It's very, very, very angry.
Why did you not subscribe?
Yeah, why didn't you subscribe? Subscribe right now, otherwise you'll become as bad as Ravan. No, definitely not. That's not gonna happen. Okay, so be sure to make the center one as much angry faced as you can. Here's the tip: whenever you make an angry face, just make the eyebrows inwards. As you can see, the eyebrows are inwards in there. And here it's not like angry because the eyebrows are not bent inwards. Here it's bent inwards and it's real angry.
It's like normally it would be like normal. It will be like this, but now it is like this. Like it will be like this. But for him, it will be like this normally. But for him, it is like this. So it's little bit upside down. Like it's from here and it's going down. That's how we know if it's bent in or not.
Yes. But guys, that's gonna do it. Here's a tip. If you came till this end, you are the best. And here's a tip called saw everything till the end. You can use a wood stapler except of a normal paper stapler. And a wood stapler will be very easier to punch in the cardboards. So, but guys, that's gonna do it. So, be sure to subscribe and like and turn on notifications and subscribe. Please, we are very close to a 60 subscribers and wish we'll get to 100 pretty soon.
And only 3 more subs to 60 subs.
Yes!
Did that rhyme?
Yes, it definitely rhymes. But guys, that's gonna do it. Be sure to subscribe, like, turn on notifications, see my brother dance. But for now,
like and subscribe.
yes, but for now,
Bye. You'll have bad luck.
see my brother dance, take a picture of him, and take a snapshot and say
Bye.
bye. There are one right there. Bye.